Hello everybody, how are you doing? Are you okay? I wish you are so. Today I'm going to expose you and show you how to prepare Moroccan couscous. As you can see on the screen, this is the ingredients that we are going to need. First of all, we are going to need 1 kilogram of couscous. Besides, we are going to need 1 kilogram of chicken meat or a half kilogram of chicken meat. Besides, we are going to need spices such as 1 small spoon of ginger and 1 small spoon of turmeric and a half small spoon of salt and a little of black pepper. Furthermore, we are going to need a mixed cup of olive oil and ordinary oil. Concerning vegetables, as you can see, we are going to need a half kilogram of pumpkin and only 1 potato and carrots, courgettes and only 1 turnip. Furthermore, we are going to need 2 onions. Finally, we are going to need a cup of chickpeas that we have to put inside water for at least 1 night. By which we are going to start. As you are seeing, I have just put 1 liter of water inside the pressure cooker, as you are seeing in front of you, and I'm going to add the cup of chickpeas, and we are going to add a half small spoon of ginger and I'm going to add a half cup of olive oil, and then I'm going to close this pressure cooker and put it over fire in order to make these chickpeas to be cooked very well. The next step is that we are going to put chicken meats and the other ingredients inside the couscous kettle, and we start by the chicken meat first, and then we follow it by the pieces of onions. Besides, we add the ground tomato, and then we add olive oil. Furthermore, we add water, only 1 cup of water over them. Furthermore, we add ginger, only 1 small spoon of ginger, and then a small spoon of turmeric and a small spoon of black pepper, besides 2 grains or 2 of salt. The first step before we put couscous inside steamer, we have to pour a 1/4 cup of olive oil on top of this couscous, and we are going to mix it very well using this spoon, or we can use our hands. It is preferable to use our hands in order to mix it very well. After mixing the couscous with the olive oil very well, I'm going to add a half cup of water in order to mix it very well as well. I can use this spoon, or we can use our hands. And then we are going to move to the next step. The next step is that after leaving the chicken meat and the pieces of onion get fried over the heat for at least 15 minutes, I'm going to add the rest of the other ingredients. We start by carrot, potatoes and turnip, and then we add the courgette and the parsley, coriander and the pumpkin. After that, we are going to pour or add 2 liters of water on top of all of these ingredients. After mixing couscous with olive oil and water, we should re-put it inside steamer, and we take the steamer on top of the couscous kettle, and we should put them over fire for at least 15 minutes in order to get cooked very well. After leaving couscous to be cooked for at least 15 minutes as a first step, we need to re-put it inside that big dish, which we call in Arabic قسعة, in order to mix it with a bowl of water. I add a bowl of water on top of couscous, and this operation it is done twice. We can use spoon to mix it, or we can use our hands, and it is preferable to use our hands in order to mix it very well. After mixing the couscous with a bowl of water, we need to leave it to be dried for at least 3 minutes. We are going to re-put it inside the steamer in order to put the steamer over the couscous kettle. After leaving couscous for at least 3 minutes in order to get dried, we re-put it inside the steamer, and we are going to put it over the couscous kettle, and we leave it to be cooked for at least 30 minutes. Concerning the second time, we are going to add a half small spoon of salt on top of it, and then we are going to add 2 cups of water, and we are going to do the same operation that we have done before, and it is preferable to use our hands in order to mix it very well. After adding salt and water and mixing them very well with couscous, we are going to add a half cup of olive oil, and we are going to mix it as well very well. After mixing this, we are going to take it again, we are going to put it inside the steamer and put it over the couscous kettle, and this is the last step, and after that our couscous is going to be ready for being eaten. After leaving couscous over the fire for at least 30 minutes for the second time, our couscous right now is ready, and the other ingredients are ready as well. Concerning the chickpeas, it is cooked very well, and now we are going to organize all these different vegetables. We start by putting chicken meat on top of the couscous, and then we are going to follow it by the other ingredients, and we are going to leave the chickpeas until the end. As you can see, our couscous right now is ready for being eaten, and we pour the water that was cooked with the other ingredients inside the container, as you are seeing, in order to pour it over or on top of couscous if it is needed. And don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel and to share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching.